All right, so now in this lesson, we will use tan to calculate the sides and the angles. And remember, tan is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So let's start here. So let's identify which is the opposite, which is the adjacent. Remember, the opposite is in relation to the angle. So x is the opposite of 75. So tan 75 is equal to the opposite, which is x over 18. So now to find what x is, we take over our 18 and multiply 18 times tan 75 is equal to x. So take out the calculators, ensure again it's in degrees. So 18 multiplied by tan 75 is equal to, this gives us x is equal to 67.1 to 2 decimal place 8 cm. Right, so that is the length of our side for x. Now let's come here to find x again, but here the value, here x is the adjacent, x is the adjacent. So tan 23 is equal to the opposite, which is 7 over x. 7 over x. So now to calculate the value for x, we take over our x times tan 23, right? X times tan 23 is equal to 7. So to find what x is equal to, we have to take over the tan 23 and divide. So x is equal to 7 divided by tan 23. So again, 7 divided by tan 23 will give us 16. X is equal to 16.49 cm. Alright, so we calculate the value for x. Now let's calculate the value for our angle. So tan x is equal to the opposite, which is 9 over 15. The opposite, which is 9 over 15. So x will now be equal to tan inverse 9 over 15. So get the calculators out again. Tan inverse, remember, put your brackets, 9 divided by 15, which will give us x is equal to 30.96 degrees to 2 decimal places. And this is how we use sine, cos, or tan to calculate the length of the side or the angles that is required. In our next lesson, we will apply these to complete some worded problems. So, but I encourage you, take time to go to your worksheets and practice, and you'll get better at it.